welcome back. In this video we're going to be looking at plugins. Right now, if you look at this place, this new theme that we just installed from site origin requires a couple of plugins in order to function well. It requires the site origin CSS, the site origin page builder, and the site origin widget bundles. Okay, now we could just install them directly from here, or we could head back to site origin and download these plugins from here, just like we did with the themes, and install them in that way. Okay, so it all depends on if you want to install it from here. It's fine. Let me just go ahead and install it from this dashboard. I'll click on begin installation. Okay, and then it has brought up the list here. You can just check this first box to select all of them. Click on this drop down that says bulk action, click on install and click apply. It's gonna go ahead, go to the website of site origin and download them and install them as well. Okay, just give it a couple of seconds, and it's throwing up a couple of errors or warnings here. It's because we are using XAMPP, so just ignore this, and this is because we are on a local host. Okay, if we are running this on a live server, we are not gonna see these warnings, but it's all good. Now we can click on return to required plugin installer. Next thing we need to do here is to activate them. You can see it says installed but not activated. So once again, select this first checkbox, click on the drop down and say activate, click apply. It's going to activate all of them at once. You can see it says the following plugins were activated successfully, and we are good. Okay, in the next video we are going to look at how to install some more plugins, but this time around we will be installing them through the manual way. So see you in the next video. Alright, welcome back. Let's continue from where we left off. In this second part, we're going to install another plugin, but we're going to do it the manual way. So I've gone out to Google and I typed contact form 7, and we can go and download this one from the WordPress website. Just click on the first one. You should see this. Click on it, and if you scroll down a bit, you see that it has over 5 million installs, which is quite a lot. There are other contact form plugins. This is going to help us easily add a contact form to our website, so it's quite important that we download this plugin. Just click on download and save it somewhere in your system. Locate it. I'm going to copy it out. You can see I have another contact form 7, but it's an older version, so I decided to download this newer version. Close this down, close out the website, and also I'm going to paste this on my desktop. And okay, I'm going to go back to my WordPress installation dashboard. I'm going to click on I'm going to click on plugins, and I'm going to click on add new. Just a moment there. You can see we could have as well searched for plugins from here and installed it, but I wanted to show you how to do it manually. Click on upload plugins, click on browse, and then this is the plugin we just downloaded. Click on it and click open. Click on install now. It's going to take a couple of seconds. Unpack and then click on activate plugin. And it's going to be done in a couple of seconds. Just need to wait for it. And we're done. Alright, so just before I leave, I want to do one more thing. Let's remove these two plugins here. Doesn't do much. This Smith anti-spam plugin, it's meant to protect you from spam, but we're going to be using some other plugin for that. Okay, so click on bulk action, click on delete and apply. It's saying if I want to delete the following plugins. Yes, I do. Click on OK and they are gone. And that's it about downloading and installing plugins. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.